Hi, let's make some seafood for dinner. I'm gonna do an Italian rustic clam dinner. And you know, we're gonna make some crostinis to soak up all that sauce. Let's go. Put in around 2 big tablespoons of good olive oil and drop in your pancetta. The reason I put the oil in is to help it along. Help get that fat render down. All the flavor is going to be in this pancetta, that smoky meat flavor. All right, once the bacon's rendered down, you're going to add in your minced garlic. This is around 8 cloves and a half of a white onion. And you're going to get that tossed in that deliciousness. And as that's cooking down, we want to let these tomatoes blister right here in this sauce. Get a little color on them, get them to blister up. So you can see how the tomatoes will start to cook down. We're gonna deglaze with some lemon juice. And now it's gonna get really creamy because we're gonna add in 1 beer. I'm also gonna add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Gonna add in half the parsley now. And we're gonna add in our clams, cover these, and they're going to go for around 8 minutes until they open. Give it a toss and get the lid on. See you in 8. Let's look, these clams. Oh yeah. Do you see these clams? Now we add in the other half of the parsley, a little bit of fresh ground pepper. I'm just freaking excited. Yeah. Oh, God, I'm so excited. I mean, the chef should be able to try it first. That really good. That really good. The tomatoes make it so sweet. And the pancetta. Yeah. Yeah.